In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your expired ID document on Binance in just 5 minutes. Let's make the process simple and straightforward, ensuring you can continue enjoying all the features Binance has to offer. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Begin by opening the Binance app on your device, or access the website using your preferred browser. Enter your login credentials carefully to avoid any delays. Once logged in, head over to your profile. You can usually find this by tapping on your account icon, typically located at the top corner of the app. In your profile section, look for the verifications option. This area is where you'll manage all things related to your identification and account security, making sure everything is up to date. Next, you'll want to tap on Update Identity. This step is designed to guide you through updating any ID related information that might need refreshing. Once you've tapped on it, you'll find yourself prompted to choose a reason for the update. Here, you should select Expired Document. This option lets Binance know that your previous ID has passed its validity date and you're ready to submit a new one. Now it's time to upload a new valid ID. Make sure the ID you choose is clear and unedited. It's important to adhere to these guidelines because any edited or unclear documents might not be accepted. Scan or take a picture of your ID in a well-lit area, ensuring all information is visible and legible. Upload the file as prompted, confirming that it meets the listed requirements. After uploading your ID, you'll be asked to complete a selfie or liveness check. This is a security step Binance uses to verify the authenticity of your submission and ensure it's really you making the changes. Follow the on-screen instructions closely. You might be asked to tilt your head, blink, or perform certain facial movements. This process helps enhance the security of your verification. Finally, hit submit, and now it's time to play the waiting game. Verification approvals can take anywhere from 1 to 3 days, so keep an eye on your email or Binance notifications for updates. It's always a good idea to check back periodically during this time to ensure no further actions are required on your part. And there you have it. Verifying your expired ID with Binance doesn't have to be a hassle. By following these steps, you ensure that your account remains secure and fully functional. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. See you next time.